The Clackamas Soil and Water Conservation District is partnering with the Clackamas River water providers to offer a sprayer efficiency program. And this program helps the producers in Clackamas County improve their sprayers by changing out pressure regulators, spray tips, gauges and hoses so that their sprayers are more efficient. They deliver the chemicals more efficiently, get better efficacy and control, have to spray less, and save money.
I've used smart sprayers for about 10 years, and they've really helped save on every aspect of spraying, from time, fuel, chemicals. It's just been great.
Smart Guided Systems offers the intelligent sprayer. We offer a retrofit to the air blast spraying that has an individual nozzle control on any sprayer. So we put a LiDAR system on it that activates nozzles in the rear that target sprays the trees that we're applying to. We use GPS for ground speed and target of positioning of the trees.
Okay. So this smart sprayer has a laser that sees the plants, and based on the presence of a plant, it sprays the plant. If there's no plant there, it doesn't apply any pesticides. So in the gaps where there wouldn't be a tree, the nozzles shut off.
We reduce chemical about 40 to 80%. We reduce drift and overdraft about 87%, which saves the farmer about 40 to 80% of chemical on their budget per year, depending on the crop that they apply to. Smart Guided Sprayer can reduce drift to 69 to 93%, and then we're reducing the airborne drift by 87%.
The cost of pesticides is obviously very high, and so we're trying to do the best job we can to apply the pesticides on the target with as little overspray as possible. Keeping rivers and streams and everything clean is a big deal because we do use water, and we don't want our water contaminated, nor do we want to contaminate anyone else's water.
When you see the auto steering and the automatic section control, that's all geared to make better applications, to provide better efficacy with our materials, and to keep off-target applications at a minimal risk. The key is you still have to exit through a set of nozzles. Regardless of how much technology you have on that machine, how automated it is, you still have a set of nozzles that you're going to go through to do your applications. Those nozzles, if you've got wore nozzles, if you've got damaged nozzles, they're not going to apply correctly. You're not going to get the efficacy out of your material or the coverage that you need. So it's really important to understand your chemical that's being applied, the mode of that chemical, and then how to make that proper nozzle selection. I can't tell you enough, read the label. Make sure you read that chem label, because the key is they may state on there, we want to see a spray tip used that gives you a medium droplet. Once you've got to know what your flow rates are, what you need for your application rates, and making that nozzle selection, you can look at our now rate charts, and you'll see droplet spectrums listed there. It's becoming industry standard. So you'll see color charts with a letter nomenclature, whether that's M or C or XC, all stating for a droplet spectrum. The colors mean something, the lettering in there means something. So if that chemical is umpteen dollars a gallon, I want every part of that chemical's good to be applied to my crop. So if you don't put the right amount of material on, if you do a poor application, resistance can take place, or you just don't get the good out of the material. Over applications can result in runoff, right? So big droplets are great if you're going to go out and put on 40 gallons an acre of material and misapply it. You've got bad nozzles, you've got wore nozzles, part of them aren't working properly, then you have the potential of runoff. With the proper selection of spray tips, using the proper technology on the spray equipment, we're able to do a much cleaner, much more efficient job of applications.
So it's important every once in a while to inspect your equipment and replace it when necessary, and sometimes that gets overlooked. So having a program that allows you to upgrade and offsets the cost of doing that is a great incentive for farmers. Anything you can do to lower the amount of total water you're both pulling up to use and the water you're leaving with chemicals to run off back into the water supply is going to be a plus. So maintaining efficient sprayers is really important in order to reduce that waste to maintain our waterways.
We want to do this cost share program so that in partnership with the Clackamas River water providers, we're protecting the streams and rivers that do provide drinking water for over 300,000 people in the Clackamas area and beyond. If you'd like to participate in our program, find out more about us, just please give us a call or visit our website at conservationdistrict.org.